I'm Kasun. I work as a mechanical engineer at hibot. I've been assigned to powerline robot project as for now. So I am the lead mechanical engineer in this project. I've been doing some designing for the robot. We actually developed it from the ground to where it is right now. Basically designing, manufacturing and assembling. I've been doing this for 3 years here. I play soccer and pretty much every day I watch Netflix, maybe an episode or two, and I make music as well. I just started it. Powerline business is a very risky business. People have to go on the live line sometimes, so it's very risky. So what we have been doing here, we are making a robot that can climb on the live lines, so a person doesn't need to go on the line. So we are saving people. I mean, it's the most excited thing. We replace a person who work in a risky area, doing risky things. So a robot can do it. Basically, we are saving lives.